Back on Wall Street Silver today, guys. Thanks again for checking out the channel. We are just going to be looking at, or one of the reasons why I like looking at this subreddit is because it's a great way to see and track how many people are starting to hear the word about silver and precious metals. And the great thing is that, hey, you haven't asked me anything today with David Morgan of all people. So the community is definitely growing here. And for those of you who are watching the price action this week, you might have some questions about what you saw. And I want to talk a little bit about a key level that I think will be important moving forward. Now, on March 25th, we had an interesting level here where around at 24.42 or where have you, the silver price bounced off from. It did not end the day there. It just hit a low there of 24.42 and bounced up pretty dramatically. And that made me raise an eyebrow. So I wanted to look at SLV because I can get a better read on trading volume. And lo and behold, everything started to make sense. So if you take a look here, well, first, let's take a look at what this gray section is here. And this is volume profile. Now, the volume profile is in the gray, and the most trading volume will basically have the longest gray line sticking out from the right side. So that would be roughly around this $25 region. Now, that's $25 in SLV. Now, if we go down to the lows, roughly around 22.60, you have another height or another area where the lines stick out. Now, the interesting thing is that the ratio between silver to SLV is roughly around 1.08 at this time. So if you actually multiply 2260 times 108, of course, you're going to have to add the, divide by 100, but you would get, or 1,000, I should say, you would get 24.40 or 24.41 if you're rounding. Now, why does that sound familiar? Well, we just said that with silver spot price on March 25th, we bounced from roughly 24.42. So that 22.60 area for SLV was that 24.42 area for silver. And that makes sense because that's where we saw a lot of trading volume for silver. So that'll be a key level for us to watch as we head into next week. If we start to see silver trend below that area, I have no idea where it's going to end up after that. Might be a lookout below kind of situation. But as of right now, yes, the 20-day did cross below the 60-day. So that's about a month of trading versus a quarter of trading. So there's some downward pressure there. But guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion for goldandsilvertoday.com.